Michael, last word on that. Do you think there's a chance that this is an egregious situation and it is heartbreaking, and if you had that little girl's face in your mind and what she went through in your heart, I don't know. I think you could convince jurors to come back with anything.
Juries play through emotion, and the emotion in a courtroom will affect the jury's decision. The jury would have to make a mistake to convict them of first-degree murder. There's no malice, there's no intent, there's no way. They're not going to do it. They haven't done it. They're not going to meet that burden. There's too much evidence that there was no malice aforethought. The prosecution did not meet their burden on that. The jury would have to make a mistake to render a conviction on that higher charge. Recklessness, negligence, absolutely, right? It was South Carolina. It was 95 degrees. You left her in the car. You can easily claim that they were negligent, right? Because you don't have to prove specific intent. But you have to prove specific intent to render a conviction for the high charge. They didn't do it. They didn't meet that burden. But a jury could make that mistake because of the fact that she was nonverbal. Look, just one last thing. I just concluded a case where I represented a nonverbal autistic kid for 4.5 years. I saw the effect it had on his parents. I saw the effect that their lives, how it was affected, right? It's different. It's a different thing that you have to go through. What I told the other side was it was like hurting an infant, right? It's the same thing. This girl, she was older, but she was an infant, and she died, and that's why the prosecutor was digging in the knife and twisting it with the torture, and her organs were cooked, because he wanted the jury to go back thinking that.